Okay na po.
Mga kaibigan, kasama po natin dito ang mga malaking puso sa mga kapatid natin na mahirap, lalong-lalo na ang mga nangangailangan ng medical at sa mga meeting para sila tumitin sa mga smile, having operation smile din at the same time operation ng yung para sa kalusugan. Ano? So narito po ang ating kaibigan na mga malaking puso at may malaking ibig sabihin malaking pagmamahal sa mga tao. Si Mr.
Robert Kwan.
Robert Kwan. Okay. At kasama din po natin ang kanyang anak at ang kanyang daughter-in-law. So ano bang ginagawa niyo dati dito sa Manawan?
Father, this is 10 years of medical mission.
At 10 years.
So we like to celebrate a little bit. It's our 10th anniversary. But not continuous of 10 years. Na-lapse tayo, Father, na 2 years. There's a year of SARS, I think.
Yes.
Another year, I don't know what. But we already served here for these are 10 years of medical and dental mission. So, papasalamat din kami, nabibigay kami ng pagkakataon ng yung manawag na Parish Church na nagkakatulong tayo sa mga kapwa natin na
mahirap. So, last year, ginawa din ninyo ito, no? So, sa September 7, gagawin din dito. 2008, gagawin din dito sa Manawag. So, bilang Moro Paro ko din, aanyayahan ko yung mga nandun sa mga barangay.
Yes, Father. Yes,
may kapansanan, lalo na sa medical, dental, mga pangailangan sa sila avail.
Usually, we can cater minimum of 1,200 patients.
1,200
Minimum. But last year, we catered more than 1,700.
Sinabi po ninyo na hindi kayo doktor, pero may ano kayo sa kalusugan.
Yeah, actually, I have a lot of friends also came from school alumni. They are doctors. They are doctors. So these doctors are more or less 20-something doctors. They came here to serve. Service na po
For free, ha?
For free. Katulad na sinabi niyo, namamas kayo for free, walang pera yun. Yun ang gusto nila. And also those dentists.
Sila dentists.
Mga kaibigan niya.
Kaibigan.
So they came here also for service. Dental and medical mission. Yun ang ginagawa natin. Every year. This 10 years.
And also, Father, we give out free medicines also.
Okay.
So besides the free service, we give out free medicines.
And we are proud to say, Father, ang medicine natin hindi yun sa front.
Talagang
hindi yun tawag to
yung
mga
generic.
Talagang
We try not to use generic kasi mga kaibigan ng doktor sinasabi na kung papadumot natin hindi papadumot natin mabuti. Kasi generic, well, we are not saying generic is not good, but generic medyo mabaya.
Kasi yes.
It's not, hindi natin sinasabi ang generic masama o hindi naman. So,
at least yung, yung sinabi, first class na nga. First class na yung bigay, hindi na second class.
And then this medical mission, Father, it's not at my own, lahat, ang daming natutulong, Father. They chip in, but I never, Father, ask for any donation. I never. Basta yung mga kaibigan, they know na I'm doing the medical mission, so they just chip in. Especially nowadays, Father, ang medicine.
Mahal.
Before, we only came here with 1 tourist bus. Last year, we came here 3 tourist buses. Mga 20-something doctors, 30-something dentists, and those helper, yung mga natutulong dyan, volunteer, natutulong dyan. And of course, with the help of yung mga tauhan dito, sila natutulong ng business.
Physical.
I hope, Father, that day
yes,
here,
of course,
but at least you can give us some advice also. Anong dapat namin improve. So we are doing 10 years. We are very happy that it's our 10 years.
So maraming pong salamat.
Salamat naman, Father.